This is the green list. Number 1 is fish. I had to feed the fish before I went to school. Number 2 is 9. On your next birthday, you will probably be 9 years old. Number 3 is time. It's time to take a spelling test. Number 4 is swim. After we check into the hotel, we'll go for a swim in the pool. Number 5 is 5. You have 5 fingers on each hand. Number 6 is pie. I'd like a slice of cherry pie. Number 7 is twins. The twins look exactly like each other. Number 8 is slime. I made slime and then I played with it. Number 9 is wind. The wind blew down my tower. Number 10 is hire. I need to hire a new babysitter.